Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to export a LandXML or an HeXML file. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I've got a project open and I'm going to head to my export option here, and within my export option I'm going to make sure my file type is not selected as coordinate file but is actually selected as this LandXML HeXML option. And once I have that selected, you'll see that I don't have a whole lot of other options here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the export button in the bottom right corner, and you can see I've already created a file with the same name and same file structure. So it's asking me if I want to overwrite that file in my export folder. In this case, I'm going to click yes to get the most up-to-date file, and you'll see I get a successful file exported message. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you export a LandXML or an HeXML file from Microsurvey's FieldGenius for Android. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.